Hi and welcome. My name is Peter Svorc. I'm an architect, and now we can take a look to the small consultation with an architect. This is the first step. I received some layout with some questions, and now I want to show you where I found a lot of mistakes. But it's not only about mistakes, it is today about how to find a new solutions. So the service name is Check Your Project. You can order this service, and I will review your layout or your details or design or whatever you send me, and I will send it back to you without any calls, without any meetings. Of course, if you want to meet me, you can order consultation with an architect, or if you like consulting service or this one, Check Your Project service, then after reviewing my notes, you can order architectural sketches. So I finish what we start, for example, now. Okay, let's have a look at the restroom. This is the first and smallest room in this house, and I found here a lot of mistakes. So we can this is layout, yes, and after entering the property I found some mistakes. Okay, for example, the restroom is too long, very thin, the window is missing, the doors are very thin, and they open door into the entrance hall, so I think that it's not good. And in this case it's I think very easy to improve this layout. So start with some mistakes and errors. The first one, this room is a bit too long. If I compare the square meters to the rest of the home, so it's not very small home, so the restroom should be wider, maybe shorter but wider. Number two, the window is missing, as I mentioned previously, because when you build these walls like here and later you put some glue and tiles, the space in this room will be much more thinner, so maximum 86 centimeters wide space for toilet room, and I think it's not good, it's very thin. So again, door is opening into the space, it's only 600 millimeters, 60 centimeters wide. It's supposed to be wider, at least 70 centimeters, it's quite good number. And also the position of this room is not good, because when someone enters the property, here is let's say the dirty zone. This is space where you come in the property with shoes, with some wet from the exterior side, and anytime anybody want to go to the toilet, the people should cross this zone, and that's fail, is really not good, because you always have to pass this one dirty zone. And now we can find a new solution for this small restroom. If you want to keep this small room here at the entrance hall, I don't know why, but if you really want, so okay, change the restroom with closet. You can put this restroom, for example, here. Make it wider, for example 1 meter 10 at least. Make it wider. Put some window in this room, for example that way, at least 60 or 70 centimeters, let's say 60. And also the door should be wider. This is, for example, now I'm drawing the entrance door to the restroom. I think that 70 centimeters are correct number. 80 it's too wide, but 60 is very thin. Okay, in this space you can easily put a small thing, of course toilet. As you can see here, you have much more space. And also let me check, so we can move a little bit, and voila. Now we can see the first change. If you really need to put the restroom here, when you always pass the entrance hall, so I think it's much more better to put it here, because you are avoiding this dirty zone here. Maybe not ideal, it should be much more better if you put the restroom somewhere in any other position, but if you want to have this restroom here, so this is the solution for you. Okay, that's all about this restroom, but we can have a look and see another one space. It is entrance hall and closet. What I change, the first is also the entrance door to the into this space. It's only 50 centimeters, and for the wardrobe it's good if you have 60 centimeters, so maybe later in this room you can put another wardrobe. But now, if you don't want to move with walls or entrance door, not entrance door, but with this opening. So what I really don't like on this space is also this entrance door, because they are in the middle of this opening. So I think that better position is to put it on one side, for example 95 centimeters wide entrance door, or maybe let's say 1 meter, and this is entrance door. So you have much more space after entering the property, so you can stay here and then you can close the entrance door. It's very important if you have some visiting or more people, some guests. Okay, this is the first I would change. We can shortly check my points about entrance space. Okay, this is entrance hall points. So I see at the first this dangerous door lifts, when in the previous design, if the door are opening here into this space, it's very dangerous because you can hit someone with the door lift. So that was the reason I changed the doors opening into the room, not into the entrance hall. The first mistake. Second mistake was this corner, because previously the door was here and this space was. The third one mistake is this space. It's only 1 meter and 7 centimeters wide space, so this door is not so good for sliding, if you want to slide the door lift, or if you want to put some openings. Here I see this something in the middle, but I think that it's not this case. But really I don't understand how they want to open the door, so this is a question. Okay, we can put something here now because we move this door. to the right side. We move this door here, so here is the space for some furniture and maybe something for sitting. Should be much more better because you can sit and change your shoes or whatever. And also we have to find some solution about this door. Okay, but before that we can finish, for example, this closet. Put something 60 or 70 centimeters, this wardrobe, and this is something for shoes, for example. Okay, and maybe this one space here we can resolve with some sliding door, or this is 90, maybe do it like, let's say we found a solution how to improve the layout in terms of entrance hall, restroom, some wardrobe. And as we see, we have a lot of work here in this layout because after entering the main corridor, two conflicts and the view from entrance hall, you don't want to have, maybe this is another chapter. That was my approach, how I handle with check your project. If you are interested in, you can hire me and send some layouts and wait for results. Ciao.